let's really see how you would play this realistically on an acoustic guitar completely unplugged. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, and welcome to another lesson where I'm bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. Look, when I was growing up, the very first tune anyone ever taught you on a guitar was how to play Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. But of course the tune you're shown first of all when you pick up guitar today is this song by the White Stripes, Seven Nation Army. And look, I'm not going to spend this whole video teaching you that bass line. I'm going to teach it to you in the next 60 seconds, and then I'm going to show you how to play this song properly using acoustic guitar. And as with each of my lessons, I do talk a little bit about the song and the artist as well. So if you just want to get to the lesson, skip that part, timestamps up there. But if you want to learn a little bit about the song, because as I say, knowledge is power, my friends. So stick around now, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Seven Nation Army and the White Stripes. Okay, as promised, I'm going to teach you that bass riff in under 60 seconds. Now remember, I'm a left-hander playing on a right-hand guitar, so the strings are upside down. What you need to know is that this is played on the A string, which is the second fat string, right? And it starts on the 7th fret. And you can use your pointer finger, and the rule of thumb is, remember, one finger per fret, and you're going to be going to the 7, the 10, then you slide down to the 5, to the 3, to the 2, and then the open. The tabs are on the screen there. I'll just play it slowly. And then down to the bottom E string or the fat E string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, and then into the song. So this song has truly become a musical anthem for anyone growing up in the 2000s and beyond. It's been adopted by FIFA as basically the official crowd chant song at any World Cup or FIFA officiated soccer event. So much so that whenever a goal is scored, that bass line riff is chanted by the crowd. So with so much exposure, that has really put this song and the White Stripes on the musical map forever. But let's share a few little known facts about the song, including the one that was actually written right here in my hometown of Melbourne by Jack White. When they were touring in Melbourne back in 2003, he wrote the song at a very locally famous live music venue called the Corner Hotel. The title Seven Nation Army is a mistake because Jack White reflects that when he was a kid, he actually thought the term Salvation Army was Seven Nation Army, and he used that in this song. Anyway, the song apparently represents the journey that the White Stripes took from a relatively unknown band out of Detroit to a world famous band winning Grammy Awards. Jack laments how the growing fame of the band became basically the source of innuendo and gossip for all the paparazzi up out there, particularly about him and his then wife and fellow band member Meg White. My favourite line in the song is, "And the message coming from my eyes says, leave it alone," which is probably Jack White's polite way of telling everyone to just and mind their own business. Oddly enough, the song did not dominate mainstream music charts in the day. When it was released, it peaked at 76 on the mainstream US Billboard charts, number 1 on the rock billboards, 61 in Canada, and 17 here in Australia. But just like fine wine, it has evolved and become a cult classic song for the ages. It was rightly recognised at the 2004 Grammys, where it won Best Rock Song. And their album, titled Elephant, won Best Alternate Music Album for that year. Some other quirky facts about the White Stripes. When they married, Jack actually adopted Meg's surname of White, and of course that was the inspiration behind the band name, the White Stripes. The couple publicly pretended to be brother and sister instead of husband and wife. They refused to be interviewed separately, and of course their branding and everything they did, stage, albums and everything else, was dominated by 3 colours, red, white and black. So with that said and done, let's teach you how to play the song properly on acoustic guitar. Remember, at a Campfire, we don't have amps, we don't have special effects. All we've got, this is our instrument of choice, acoustic guitar and a voice, and I'm going to show you how to do this hard rock song unplugged on acoustic. So now it's time to get out of the studio and let's go where we belong. Let's go find a campfire. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, to get started, I recommend you download the free song sheet at my Patreon page, all the details below, so you can play along and practice. It's got the chords, it's got the lyrics, it's everything you need to be able to play this song. Let's get into it now. So the song recipe, this is on the chord of E minor, no capo required. The original tempo is medium, 120 beats per minute, and the song structure is so simple. It's verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, right? No bridge, no fancy leads or anything like that. The actual interesting thing about this song is the chorus does not have any lyrics. The chorus is actually that famous bass lick. That's the chorus of the song. Right, the feel of the song, it's a moody song, slightly angry, and the vocal ability, using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, I think if you're going to do it exactly like the original, you need to have a rock star voice, but I'm doing this pared down in acoustic, so really I think you need shower singer ability to be able to just bang this song out. Okay, the chords, don't forget I'm a left-hand guitar player playing on a right-hand strum guitar, so all my finger patterns may appear upside down to you. Don't let that worry you, because I'm going to put the chord patterns on the screen and you can play along, no worries. So the chords to the song, E minor, it's got a G. Now you can play open G or you can play the bar chord G. It's got a C, again open C or bar chord C. It's got a B. I play it here on the 2nd fret, or you could play it up here on the 7th fret, bar chord. And it's got an A, open A, or on the 5th fret A. Right, let's get into the verse. Okay, I'm going to break down the verse for you now, and the best way to do it is I'll play the entire first verse for you to demonstrate it, and then we'll talk about it. But the chords are an E minor, G, C, B, and then it breaks into the G again and the A at the end. So how does that all come together? Let's do it now. I'm gonna fight 'em off. 7 Nation Army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back. I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette, and the feeling coming from my eyes says leave me alone. Straight into the chorus. Okay, I'm going to show you the chorus now. I'll play it in real time, then I'm going to break it down really slowly for you. So it starts on the E minor. And that's back to the verse. Right, a lot going on there, but it's those basic chords which I'll put on the screen there, starting on E minor. 2 strums down, to a G, back to E minor, open, C, B. I'll repeat that again. E minor for 2, G, E minor, open, C, B. Just pause the video now and just practice that over and over again. And then the 3rd phrase of this chorus is where it really picks up, where it goes. And that's a pretty quick change. That's a change between the C, the G and the B. So I'll go super slow right now. E minor, G, E minor, open, C, G, C, B. You got that? C, G, C, B, C, G, C, B. That that's really going to work out your fingering and chord patterns. If you can nail that one, you can probably just about do any sort of chord transition or bar chord transition. So practice that, start slow and just build up speed. So I play this song in not the true tempo, in a bit of a slowed down version, and that's I reckon that's a pretty good way to learn this song. So there you have it, folks. They're the building blocks to play Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes on acoustic guitar, completely unplugged. Now I recommend check out my song version on this so you can get a sense of how I play the whole thing, including the light and shade. I start pretty cool and mellow and soft with acoustic, but I finish the song loud and proud, and then I bring the song back down to a nice acoustic finish. So I'll leave the link up there and in the description to see the full song playthrough. So thanks for watching, folks. I know you've got a lot of choice on YouTube, so the fact that you choose to tune into this channel means a heck of a lot to me. My gift back to you guys is don't forget to get the free song sheet, download it from a Patreon page, all the details below, build up your songbook just like I'm doing with mine. So until next week, you know how it works. At Campfire Guitar Hero, all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star. And their album that the song was released on, Elephant, became... and I'm going to play it on that chord. My gift back to you guys is don't forget, get the free... Alright, a quick...